Discover 5 useful Samsung Galaxy features, including battery protection, dual messenger, edge panels, palm swipe screenshot, and automatic call recording settings. Feature 1. Protect battery charging limit. If you want to keep your battery healthy for a longer time, this hidden Samsung setting is extremely useful. Open the Settings app on your Samsung device. Tap Battery. Select Battery Protection. Turn the feature on. Samsung gives you different battery protection modes. Basic mode. Your phone charges to 100%, then pauses charging until the battery drops to 95%, helping reduce battery stress. Maximum mode. Charging stops completely at 80% to extend long-term battery lifespan. Some Samsung software versions also allow users to set a custom charging limit between 80% and 95% using a slider. This feature is perfect for users who charge their phones overnight or keep their devices plugged in for long periods. Feature 2. Dual Messenger for 2. WhatsApp or Facebook accounts. Samsung includes a hidden feature called Dual Messenger that allows you to use 2 separate accounts for apps like WhatsApp or Facebook on one phone legally and easily. Go back to Settings for View. Tap Advanced Features. Select Dual Messenger. You will see compatible apps installed on your phone. Turn on the toggle beside apps like WhatsApp or Facebook. Tap Install to create the second app. After installation, your phone will create a duplicate version of the app so you can use 2 accounts at the same time. This is very useful for separating personal and business accounts. Feature 3. Edge Panels. Samsung's Edge Panels feature gives you quick access to apps, tools, contacts, screenshots, weather, clipboard, and more. Return to Settings, tap Display, scroll down and select Edge Panels. Turn the toggle on. Once enabled, a small translucent handle appears on the side of your screen. Simply swipe the handle inward to open quick shortcuts and useful tools instantly. It makes multitasking much faster and smoother. Feature 4. Palm Swipe Screenshot. Taking screenshots becomes easier with this hidden gesture feature. Open Settings, tap Advanced Features, select Motions and Gestures, enable Palm Swipe to capture. Now, whenever you swipe the edge of your hand across the screen, your Samsung phone automatically captures a screenshot without pressing any buttons. Feature 5. Auto Call Recorder. Samsung phones also include a powerful built-in auto call recorder feature. Open the phone app, tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, select Settings, tap Record Calls. Choose Auto Record Calls and turn it on. You can choose all calls with unsaved numbers, calls with specific contacts. I recommend selecting all calls so every conversation is automatically recorded. This feature is useful for work calls, important conversations, and reminders. And that's it. You are now using some of the best hidden Samsung features most users never explore. These settings can improve productivity, convenience, battery health, and overall smartphone experience on your Samsung Galaxy device.